Learning isn't complete without hands-on experience. We now have the basic understanding of Laravel to start working on a simple project. The rest of this course is dedicated to creating a simple note-taking web application which we call LightNotes. Let's look at the features of the app we will be building. This is the landing page with two links, login and register. A new user needs to register with name, email and password. This creates a new account and logs the user in. An existing user can log in from the login page. Let me log in. You will see all your notes listed as soon as you log in, ordered by showing the latest updated notes first. You can see 5 notes per page and then a pagination at the bottom to view more. You can create a new note right from here. Give it a title, add some text. Both these are required fields, so if you leave any of them empty, you will be prompted, like so. Let me enter it again, click on save. Once you save the note, you'll be able to see the entire note along with when it was created and when it was changed. You can go back to all notes clicking on the notes, and from here, once again, you can open any of the notes by clicking on the title. Each note has two options, to edit it or move it to trash. Let me click on edit note. You can edit either the title or the text or both. Let me try to edit this and click on save. You'll see a flash message, changes saved, that disappears on page refresh. Alright, we can even delete a note, that is, you can move it to trash. You'll be asked for confirmation to move this note to trash. Click on OK, and there's a message, move to trash, displayed here. Now you can find this note in trash. Clicking on this will again display the full note with two different options. You can either restore this note or delete it permanently. Clicking on restore will immediately move this back to notes, and you can once again edit note or move to trash. Let's move it back to trash again so we can delete it permanently. Click OK, go to trash, open this again, and this time let's delete it forever. Once again, you will be asked for confirmation. Clicking OK will delete this note forever. And finally, you can log out. Quick summary, we have the complete login flow with register, login, logout and reset password. You can create notes, view the list, view individual notes, edit them, move to trash, restore deleted items and delete notes forever. Let's start building the LightNotes app.